How to view reports in Magento Commerce. This tutorial will show you how to view reports in Magento Commerce and assumes you're already logged into Magento. Go to Reports, then Sales. You can choose to view reports about sales, taxes, shipping, totals, and coupons. Click Sales Report. All sales reports will show up here. Go to Reports, then Shopping Cart. Here, you can view which products are in customers' carts and abandoned carts. Click Abandoned Carts. All products that are in a cart which has been abandoned will show up here. Go to Reports, then Products. These reports will show products that are best sellers, most viewed, and any low stock. Go to Most Viewed. This list shows the most viewed products. Go to Reports, then Customers, and click New Accounts. Any customers who have registered recently will show up here. Go to Reports, then Reviews. You can see which customers have written reviews and which products have been reviewed. Click Product Reviews. Information about all product reviews will show up below. Go to Reports, then Tags. Select Popular. Here, you can see which product tags are popular. Go to Reports and click Search Terms. Information about the search terms customers have used will show up here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to view reports in Magento Commerce.